If you ever thought that the Earth's beauty was restricted only to its land, this episode may give you a life-changing underwater experience equivalent of no other right in Namma Chennai. This is the VGP Marine Kingdom, India's first and largest walk-through aquarium. It is acclaimed by many in equal measure to the famous one in Sentosa Island in Singapore. The kingdom is spread across 5 ecosystems: rainforests, gorge, mangroves, coastal zones and the deep ocean habitats. Also, the kingdom has a 70-meter underwater acrylic tunnel aquarium where you can really experience what it's like to be at the bottom of the ocean. Do not miss the next 12 minutes as we learn right into this episode. Welcoming us inside the kingdom was a large ticketing counter and a waiting area. Any rush could be easily managed through multiple counters that were operating at that time. The ticket cost for the entire experience was $745 a person, which upon paying you would get a smart card to keep handy while entering and exiting the kingdom. This is my own heartbeat thumping in excitement as we headed towards the first ecosystem of the kingdom. Here are the rainforests. The rainforests are formed out of tremendous amount of precipitation and downpour, which creates giant rivers, streams and lakes, and these water bodies serve as a natural habitat for great many aquatic life. VGP's rainforest habitat houses fish that call the rivers and the lakes in the rainforest their home. They come as far as from the Amazon River in South America, the Zaire from Congo and many other places across the world. What you see now are the cichlids species. These are freshwater fishes that have a nostril on each side of their head instead of the usual 2 at the bottom. These are mouth breeders, meaning they carry eggs in their mouth until hatched. Here, you will find an immersive experience, literally. Because you can go to the middle of the stream amongst the fishes and feel what it's like, truly. Come next the alligator gars. These take the face of an alligator and body of a fish. They reach up to 10 feet in length and 140 kgs in weight, but never attack humans. With that end the rainforest, and up next is the second ecosystem, the gorges. Think about gorges as very deep narrow valleys formed by very fast running water. These are smaller canyons with a stream or a river running along their bottom. This zone contains both natural and hybrid artisanal fish varieties, mostly originated in the South Asian region. As we walk along, here are some unique species from the gorge. The rohu. It's a carp variety found in South Asian rivers. It can grow up to 2 meters in length and 45 kgs in weight. The gurami. It has a lung-like labyrinth organ due to which it can even absorb atmospheric oxygen. It usually inhabits shallow oxygen-poor water. Up next is the mangrove ecosystem. Mangroves are trees and shrubs that grow in the tropical and subtropical coastal areas. These typically grow on mud flats and estuaries and marine shorelines, and thanks to their crissy-crossy root system and the slimy mud, the fish and other organisms find an ideal home there. With that comes the coastal ecosystem, a place where the rainforest, the mangroves and the gorges that you saw earlier will shake hands with the deep ocean. This is like a transition point where one ecosystem joins the other. And you would have noticed as you walked along that VGP's coastal habitat is designed to reflect this natural habitat made of reefs, rocks and all things coastal. Now on to the last and the best part of the Marine Kingdom, the deep ocean. This part truly blew my mind away, made me feel all my money worth. This was intentionally set to have little or no light, reflecting a depth of about 1000 meters or more, and was themed spooky or mysterious in many ways. One could experience the wonders of the deep ocean without a diving suit and oxygen. If you are wondering what's going on here, we are waiting for a real-life, unbelievable mermaid show that's about to start. Take your time to recover from that astounding performance and move next to another wonder, the 70-meter acrylic deep ocean tunnel. truly life-changing experience, wasn't it? If you like the VGP Marine Kingdom and my episode, do like and share further. Subscribe to my channel Mr. Madras for future videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.